Looking to become a certified and trained life coach? Here's how it works. Step 1. Enroll for our online course. Step 2. Complete the online certification and training course. Step 3. After passing your online training course, you will receive your digital/printable trade certificate in your course account. Step 4. Apply for an entry-level position with a company or business requiring employees, or you can open your very own business since there are no limitations currently to open up this type of business. Note: make sure to have your resume set prior to applying for employment with your credentials. Becoming a life coach with DMAC Tech Trade School is easy. Begin your 1-week life coach certification and training course today. We look forward to your success.